Hello, welcome to the fifth topic in the JSS1 scheme of work. The topic is still fractions, but this time we're looking at addition and subtraction of fractions. In this topic, you will learn the addition of fractions with the same denominator, subtraction of fractions with the same denominator, addition of fractions with different denominators, subtraction of fractions with different denominators, addition and subtraction of fractions with the same denominator, and then addition and subtraction of fractions with different denominators. We believe that by the end of this topic, you should be able to solve problems on the different objectives that have been itemized here. Thank you.